Today, I am going to share some IELTS listening tips with you. So, सबसे पहले हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको मिलेंगी ऐसी ही informative videos. So, let's start with listening tips. Number 1. It is really hard for some students to read, write, listen simultaneously. So, it would be easier for you if you use your time allotted for instructions and reviews for reading. Just read your question carefully and listen to the conversation. Then you can get your answer. Number 2. Identify keywords. It will definitely help you to concentrate. Each option is only discussed once. So move to another question when you are done. Number 3. Spelling really counts. You can use American or British spelling. That is okay. But make sure that you will just listen carefully. One pro tip from Spectrum Overseas. Don't forget that you will get 10 minutes at the end of the paper-based IELTS exam, but you will get 2 minutes in computer-based IELTS.